Hey everybody, your name here, and welcome to our countdown of the top 5 fantastic mass production factory manufacturing videos. You know I love a good engineering challenge, and let me tell you, these factories are like giant real-life puzzles, figuring out how to crank out thousands of things perfectly every single day. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible efficiency and technology behind these production lines. We're talking lasers, robots, conveyor belts moving at lightning speed, the whole shebang. We're gonna break down the coolest parts of each factory and see how they manage to make so much stuff so fast. So buckle up, grab your safety goggles, you never know when you might need them watching stuff on the internet, and get ready to have your mind blown by these incredible feats of engineering. Alright, first up, we're diving headfirst into the heart of a car manufacturing plant. This is where the magic happens, where raw materials are transformed into the sleek, powerful machines we see on the roads every day. And let me tell you, this ain't your grandpa's assembly line. Gone are the days of manual labor and slow production. Today, it's all about speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology. We're talking next-level automation here, people. Machines that can think, adapt, and work tirelessly around the clock. First up, we got these massive robots, like something out of Terminator. Lifting and welding huge pieces of metal, sparks flying everywhere. It's a sight to behold, a symphony of sparks and steel. It's like a choreographed dance but with molten steel and heavy machinery. Each robot knows its part, moving in perfect harmony to create the car's frame. And check out those robotic arms, placing engines with pinpoint accuracy. These machines are so precise they can place an engine into a car with the same ease as you might place a book on a shelf. You know how hard it is to parallel park a car? Imagine a robot doing it with an engine 100 times a minute. It's a marvel of modern engineering. And the speed. These cars are moving down the line faster than a squirrel trying to get away from my squirrel obstacle course. It's a blur of activity, with each part seamlessly fitting into place. It's a blur of activity, with workers and robots working side by side. The human touch is still essential, guiding and overseeing the process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now we're getting into the really cool stuff. The advanced machinery here is like something out of a sci-fi movie with lasers, sensors, and all sorts of high-tech gadgets. See that? They're installing the car's nervous system, the wiring harness. This intricate web of wires and connectors is what brings the car to life, allowing all its systems to communicate and function. It's like the world's most complicated game of connect the dots, but instead of dots it's sensors and actuators and stuff. Each connection is crucial, ensuring the car's electronics work flawlessly. And just when you thought it couldn't get any cooler, bam! They lower the entire car body onto the chassis with this giant robotic crane. It's a moment of pure engineering brilliance. It's like watching a perfectly executed Tetris move in real life. Every piece fits together with incredible precision, creating a seamless and sturdy structure. And there you have it, folks. From a pile of parts to a shiny new car, all thanks to some seriously impressive engineering. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. It's enough to make you want to run out and buy a new car, or maybe just build your own robot army. Either way, the future of car manufacturing is here, and it's nothing short of amazing. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get delicious. We're stepping inside a food processing factory, where raw ingredients transform into the snacks and staples we all know and love. First up, we're checking out the production line for potato chips. And let me tell you, these potatoes are on a wild ride. They're getting washed, peeled, sliced, and fried faster than you can say, pass the dip, and the precision. Those chips are getting sliced to the exact same thickness, ensuring perfectly crispy goodness in every bite. It's like a potato ballet, with each chip moving in perfect harmony. Now, we're moving on to the packaging department, and this is where things get really interesting. These machines are filling, sealing, and labeling bags of chips faster than you can blink. It's like watching a magic show, but instead of rabbits, it's potato chips appearing out of thin air. And the best part? They have sensors to make sure each bag is filled to the perfect level, so you never have to worry about getting a bag with too much air. It's like they're reading our minds. And there you have it, folks. The next time you reach for a bag of chips, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering that went into making your snacking experience so satisfying. Get ready to have your circuits overloaded because we're about to enter the world of electronics manufacturing. This is where the magic of technology comes to life, and let me tell you, it's even cooler than you can imagine. First up, we're checking out the assembly line for circuit boards. These boards are like the brains of our electronic devices. and they're packed with tiny components that have to be placed with incredible precision. And the speed. These machines are placing components faster than you can say microchip, and they rarely make a mistake. It's like watching a high-speed game of Tetris, but instead of blocks, it's resistors and capacitors. Now, we're moving on to the soldering station. This is where things get really hot, literally. These boards are passing through a wave of molten solder, which connects all the components together. It's like watching a miniature volcano erupt, but instead of lava, it's liquid metal. And the precision. That solder has to flow perfectly between each component, creating a solid electrical connection. It's like watching a surgeon operate, but instead of scalpels, they're using molten metal. And there you have it, folks. The next time you use your smartphone or computer, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering that went into making these devices so powerful and compact. Hold on to your sewing needles, folks, because we're about to enter the fascinating world of textile manufacturing. This is a place where creativity meets engineering, and tradition blends seamlessly with innovation. This is where raw fibers are transformed into the fabrics that clothe us, decorate our homes, and more. From the simplest cotton t-shirt to the most luxurious silk drapes, it all starts here. First up, we're checking out the spinning process. This is the heart of textile production, where the magic begins. This is where raw cotton or wool fibers are twisted together to create yarn. It's a delicate balance of tension and speed, ensuring the fibers are strong yet flexible. It's like watching a giant cotton candy machine, but instead of sugar, it's creating the building blocks of our clothes. And the speed! These machines are marvels of modern engineering. Those spindles are spinning so fast they're practically a blur, churning out miles of yarn every minute. It's a mesmerizing dance of technology and material. It's like watching a synchronized swimming team, but instead of swimmers, it's thousands of tiny fibers moving in perfect harmony. Each fiber plays its part in creating a cohesive whole. Now we're moving on to the weaving process. This is where the individual threads come together to form a unified fabric. This is where those yarns are interlaced to create fabric. The precision required here is astounding, with each thread needing to be in exactly the right place. It's like watching a giant loom at work, with hundreds of threads moving back and forth, creating intricate patterns. And the precision. Every movement is calculated to perfection. Those looms are controlled by computers, ensuring that each thread is placed exactly where it needs to be. This technology allows for the creation of complex designs that were once impossible. It's like watching a pianist play a complex piece of music, but instead of keys, they're controlling hundreds of threads. The result is a beautiful symphony of fabric. And there you have it, folks. From raw fibers to finished fabric, the journey is nothing short of extraordinary. The next time you put on a shirt or snuggle up in a blanket, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering that went into creating the fabrics that make our lives so comfortable and stylish. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Get ready to unleash your inner child, because we're about to enter the magical world of toy manufacturing. This is where the magic happens, where raw materials are transformed into the beloved toys that spark joy and creativity in children around the world. This is where imagination runs wild and plastic, plush, and dreams are transformed into the playthings that bring joy to children of all ages. From the simplest plush teddy bear to the most complex building sets, every toy starts its journey here. First up, we're checking out the injection molding process. This is a crucial step in toy manufacturing where precision and efficiency are key. This is where molten plastic is injected into molds to create all sorts of toy parts, from action figures to building blocks. The process is fascinating to watch as the molten plastic takes shape almost instantly. It's like watching a giant waffle iron, but instead of waffles, it's churning out toy parts by the thousands. And the detail? The precision of these machines ensures that every piece is perfect, ready to be assembled into a beloved toy. Those molds are incredibly intricate, capturing every detail of the toy designer's creations. Each mold is a work of art in itself, designed to bring the toy to life with stunning accuracy. It's like watching a sculptor at work, but instead of clay, they're using molten plastic. The skill and precision required are truly impressive. Now we're moving on to the assembly line. This is where the magic really starts to come together. This is where those toy parts come together to create the finished products. Each piece is carefully assembled, ensuring that every toy is perfect and ready for play. It's like watching Santa's workshop, but instead of elves, it's skilled workers and automated machines working side by side. And the speed. The efficiency of this process is astounding, with toys being assembled at an incredible pace. Those toys are moving down the line faster than a kid on Christmas morning, getting assembled, painted, and packaged up ready for playtime. Each step is meticulously planned to ensure the highest quality. It's like watching a well-oiled machine, but instead of gears and cogs, it's teddy bears and toy cars. The variety of toys produced here is truly staggering. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey of a toy from raw materials to the finished product. The next time you see a child's face light up with joy while playing with a toy, remember the incredible engineering and creativity that went into making that moment of happiness possible. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved in the toy manufacturing process. Well, there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind tour of the world's most amazing factories has come to an end. From cars to potato chips, electronics to toys, we've seen how ingenuity and automation come together to create the products we use every single day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. And hey, while you're down there, let me know in the comments which factory impressed you the most. Was it the robot army building cars, the high-speed chip assembly, or maybe the sheer magic of a toy factory? Until next time, keep your curiosity gears turning, and I'll see you on the next exciting adventure.